Hello everyone, I am very glad to see you all in this YouTube channel. From today, we are going to clarify the doubts of students that is in chemistry, right? One of my students who is Fatima Afruz studied in Kandi Mahamaya school, right? He sent this question. I will clarify this question today in this class. First, we will read the question. Identify the pair of elements which has the largest difference in electronegativities, right? Okay. Do you all know what is electronegativity? Right, I'm explaining here. The electronegativity means, first, I'm consider a bond that is HCl, right? The electronegativity means the ability to attract the electrons, right? The ability to attract the electrons from a bond is called, we can call electronegativity, right? In this case, the ability is greater than hydrogen. Cl has a greater than electronegativity than hydrogen, right? So, how can I tell about that the Cl has the largest negativity and hydrogen has lowest negativity? How? Okay, right. We can see an order of the electronegativity, right? Here I am writing the order, right? F O Cl N Br I S C P H. Okay. You all should need to know these elements' electronegativities. So through this, we can identify all the 20 elements electronegativities with these electronegativity, right? This case, fluorine has 4.0 electronegativity, oxygen 3.5, and chlorine and nitrogen has 3, bromine 2.8, these three has 2.5. Then pH, we know the pH, it is 2.1. We will study about pH in the physical chemistry, right? So the pH is one word, phosphorus and hydrogen has same electronegativity value, right? Okay, first I am writing the periodic table here. So we can identify all 20 elements electronegativities with these electronegativity. Okay, so I am writing the periodic table here. I here. Right. Okay. So I am writing the electronegativity values. Right. So fluorine has 4.0, and oxygen has the electronegativity value of 3.5, nitrogen has 3. So you can see the difference between these two elements, right? 0.5. What is the difference? 0.5. So these two elements 0.5. So carbon has 2.5, then boron 2, beryllium 1.5, and helium 1, right? So here we know chlorine has 3, right? And sulfur has the electronegativity value of 2.5, and the phosphorus has the electronegativity of 2.1. So we can see the difference between these two elements, 0.5 then 0.4, so it will come 0.3, so 1.8, but the minimum difference between two elements is 0.3. okay, so it will come 1.5, then 1.2 here, and 0.9, right? Earlier we know hydrogen has the electronegativity value of 2.1, and from the top to bottom we know the electron negativity will reduce and electron positivity will be increased, right? And from the period left to right, the electronegativity value will be increased, right? But we know these are electronegativity of 0. So in this case, we can identify all the elements electronegativities through this, right? So from this idea, I'll face this question, right? You can see boron and aluminium. So the electronegativity different. I'm considering boron and aluminium, right? Boron has 2 and aluminium has, I know, 1.5. So the difference is 0.5. 0.5. And beryllium 1.5, 1.5. So difference will be 0, right? Here boron, so 2, and silicon 1.8. We can identify the difference 0.2. Here 0, right? Okay. And boron has 2, carbon has 2.5. Here aluminium has 1.5 and carbon has 2.5. So here we have a difference of 1. Here we have the difference of 0.5. So they asking us the largest difference in the electronegativity. So here we can identify the largest difference of electronegativity is 5th answer, right? And also we have an easy method to remember these elements, right? I'm telling here, this will be easy for Tamil medium students, right? Okay, you can remember this order. Bromine, silver, carbon, alright. Okay, I mark the elements further in fluorine, oxygen, Cl, nitrogen, bromine, iodine, sulfur, carbon, phosphorus, and hydrogen, right? Okay guys, this is the end of this session, and you also can send your doubts to my WhatsApp number. I will clarify your doubts likewise. Okay, thank you. And finally, I am introducing myself. I am Mahroof Mateen Ahmad, studying at University of Peradeniya, Faculty of Engineering. Okay guys, bye.
நீங்களும் உங்களோட சந்தேகங்களை எங்களோட யூடியூப் சேனலில் ஒரு வீடியோவாக மாற்றணும் அப்படின்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னு சொன்னால் உங்களோட நேம், நீங்கள் எந்த ஊர், எந்த டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட், எந்த ஸ்கூலில் கல்வி கற்கிறீங்க மற்றும் எந்த பெச் என்கிற விவரங்களோட உங்களோட சந்தேகங்களை மற்றும் வினாக்களை எங்களோட வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கோ அல்லது டெலிகிராம் அக்கௌண்ட்டுக்கோ அனுப்பி வைக்க முடியும். தொடர்ந்தும் எங்களோட யூடியூப் சேனலோட பயணியுங்கள். உங்களுடைய வெற்றிக்காக நாம். இந்த வீடியோ ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக உங்களுக்கு அமைஞ்சிருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நான் நம்புகிறேன். இந்த வீடியோ ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக உங்களுக்கு அமைஞ்சிருந்தால் don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get updates of our channel. இந்த வீடியோ வேறு யாருக்கெல்லாம் பிரயோஜனமாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நீங்கள் நினைக்கிங்களோ அவங்களோட மறக்காமல் நம்ம வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணி விடுங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் உங்களை மீட் பண்ண வரைக்கும் உங்களிடம் வந்து விடைபெற்று செல்கிறேன். அஸ்ஸலாமு அலைக்கும் வரஹ்மத்துல்லாஹி வபரகாத்துஹு. வணக்கம். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.